Be your host for the evening and welcome you all to this wonderful and fun-filled event, JASU Quiz Championship 2021. To learn, compete and enjoy while gaining knowledge. Without further ado, let's kickstart this event and let me introduce you to our judges. Dr. Krishna Bada, Dr. Ravi Karkat and Dr. Mohammed Arfin Khan. So please come. Dr. Jagrati Patel. Please stand for. And last but not the least, the Fighting Tigers. Our teams who will battle against each other for the title of champions. First, let me welcome the Group 1 Nelson Knights. Our fourth team for the evening, the William Warriors, who is the captain led by Mohammad Mazhar, Harshita, Samer Khan and Moim Krit. Please come take your space.
Hi bro.
The last team for the evening are the Harrison Hurricanes. As the name suggests, they are blazing, led by Satish Yadav, Shobha Munusawal, Lalit Kumar, and Abdul Aziz Diwan. I guess Lalit is a Hurricane. So, as you know, we have our judges, our referees and the teams. So next, we have rules and regulations. How to conduct this and how to go about this.
Thank you, Dr. Farooq. A very good evening to the distinguished guest, Professor Dr. Prasa, my seniors, colleagues, and my dear students. So this is the first time after we come here actually in this 1 month. This is the first medical quiz competition. Yes, in the past there used to be so many, and I promise you there will be so many coming in the near future as well. Okay. Now, without saying much of the things, let's start with the proceedings. Now, I don't want to repeat the names of the participants, which Dr. Farooq has already told, everybody know. But we have, given the names of these teams according to the very famous textbook of each of the medical faculties, isn't it? So it's quite interesting. Now, these are the quiz rules which Dr. Farooq has already, disclosed. So let me directly go to the round 1. And each of the round has its own rules, okay? So let me explain with the rules of round 1 and then I'll run that round. Now please pay attention, dear students. There are a total of 10 questions in this round. Can you see? Am I obstructing? Okay, let me go here. There are 10 questions and subjects which will be, coming in this round are anatomy, physiology and biochemistry. So only from 3 subjects will get the question. Each team will face a total of 2 and it will go towards the group 5. Group 5, again it will go towards the group 1. So it will have 2 rounds here. So see that? It's a direct question round. Each team will get a question and 1 minute time will be given to answer. Exactly 60 seconds. And correct answer carries 10 marks. Now there is one important point here you can see. There's no time starts now. So see this is one, okay? You can see it here. I want the name of this muscle. Biceps brachii, absolutely correct answer. You get full 10 marks. Very nice, well done. So see this, the answer is biceps brachii, okay? It is one of the very important muscle of the anterior compartment of the arm. And the main functions of this muscle is flexion of the elbow joint as well as supination. Now, group 2, you be ready, okay? This question belongs to group 2, that is Netter Narcos. You can see on your screen, what is the name of the structure which is labeled as 1? I want the name of this structure, which you can see here.
Sir, common hepatic heart. Common hepatic duct.
Common hepatic duct. Excellent. Wonderful answer. So they also get full 10 marks for this. Very nice. So for the sake of audience, we like to explain a little bit here. So see this? This is right hepatic duct. There is left hepatic duct. When they combine together, this is called common hepatic duct. Okay? When cystic duct fuses with common hepatic duct, then we call it common bile duct. Excellent. So this is common hepatic duct. Now, next question will go to group 3, Schwarz samurai. All of the following are examples of disaccharides except. Which one is the correct answer? You have to tell me now. Your time starts now. Lactose? Are you sure? Okay. Lactose is the wrong answer. So this question passes to group 4. But time is only 30 seconds. Yes? She's saying galactose. That's the correct answer. So galactose. Okay? Very good. But she gets only 5 marks. So she gets 5 marks. That team gets 5 marks for that. Okay? So galactose. Yes?
Is fourth group, that's Wilson. So it's 20, and tie on group 2nd and group 5, they are having 15 and 15. And please, you have to work a little bit harder. Group 3, you have 0 score. Okay, all the best for your second round.
So, for audience, so don't worry, we have questions for you as well. This round, if the contestant can't answer the question, there will be no passing. Straight to audience, not to our colleagues. And audience, you have prizes too. Volunteer, who has that prize? Go there. And please, if you want to answer, raise your hand first. Then only you will be allowed to answer. Otherwise, you will not get anything. Okay. First, contestant will try to answer. If they say wrong, then it will pass to audience. Okay. Round 2. And round 2, we have questions from paraclinical, means you can say pharma, patho, and micro. Those subjects. Okay. It will be a bit interesting between the clinical and basic science. Same thing, we'll start from 1 and we'll go to the 5 and then again come back. So we'll do it 3 times. Each team will get 3 sets of questions. Marking is same, 10 marks each. There is no negative marking. There is no passing to the contestant. Directly question goes to audience, and if you answer correctly, you will get prize. Okay. And for contestant, if you answer and if you can explain the answer, you will get additional gift hamper. If you can't explain, your marks will not be reduced. Got it? So try to get gift hampers. Try to explain it. Okay. Let's start from 1. Wilson Knight, 1. Get ready. Audience, please keep quiet. Okay, no problem. So, audience, please keep quiet. Please. Wait. 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 Give it, please. Can you explain why? Shh. Then.
In transcript, beta 2 receptors are present, and so
when it locks, visualization would not happen. So,
Chocolate for you as well. See? So please, audience, keep quiet. Don't say answer to your friend. You will not get chocolate or gift hamper. So keep quiet, please. Thank you. To Netis Narcos, farmer question to narcotics, right? Narcos, come on. It's a very easy question. Yeah, you. Oh, it's. Please, guys, pray. They should not answer, right? Otherwise, you will not get the prizes. Cardio selective, heart selective. Is it final? Final. Thank you for answering wrong. Audience, please get ready. Wait. Raise your hand, please. Those who stand up, they will get us. 1, 2, 3 up. Yes, you. Wait, no, see, you stood up first. You want to say? Huh? C is the correct answer. Please give him the hamper. Is it cardio? Okay? Confusion, right? Okay, no confusion. Should not be any confusion. Okay. It's wrong, right? Cardio selective means it's a beta 1. Beta 1 is cardio selective. Okay. This question is for Swartz Samurai. Swartz, textbook of surgery. Please. Okay. Say this answer. See the lesion over there and tell the causative agent. Time starts again. Wait. Should I lock it? Please. It is HPV, not HIV. Thank you. Okay, for Williams Warrior, this is your
0 score, and now they are leading with 30 score only from this round. Okay. Moving to the second round, third group is leading with 30 score, and the second leading score is group 5 with 20 score, and group 1 and group 2 and group 4 are meeting with each other. They are having 10, 10, 10 each. So, congratulations for the winning team for second round.
Wow. Wow, wow, wow. They always say the underdogs always come as champions. Summarize, you never had a doubt in yourself. No one had a doubt in yourself, but the others, you still have chance. It's not the end of the world, it's not the end of the competition. You will be individually falling behind, but cumulatively you are all rock stars together in our lives. So, continuing forward, the next round, it's a bit tricky because here you don't have any questions. Yes, you have questions, but it is, they say, luck, luck, luck. And every exam there's luck. So let me introduce Dr. Krishna again to take over and explain the rules of this round. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Farooq sir. This is a very interesting round. We name it as a lucky draw round. Okay? So there are 5 subjects here. This is a lucky draw. So the team which has got the highest or the maximum marks till now will get the chance to draw first. Okay? And those teams are group 1 and group 5. Both of them has got 35 marks. Okay? Both of them. So I give, it doesn't matter because there are 5, subjects. It doesn't matter, so I'll go to group 1 first and ask them to pick one. Okay, now we'll go to group 5 to pick. Next, who got the marks after that? Yeah, group 3. It's the turn of group 3 now. Please pick one. Okay. Now group 4. And the remaining one is of course group 2 now. Now who got surgery? Who got surgery? Yes. The surgical team will get the first chance. Okay? Surgical team will get the first chance. But you are Harrison's Hurricane. So it doesn't matter. Harrison's is we say, Bible of medicine, isn't it? It doesn't matter. So you are the first team who will be asked 5 questions from surgery only. Okay? That's the thing you have chosen, isn't it? Now remember, we have to explain the rules of this round first. Now, let's go to the rules first. Okay? All of you please pay attention there. There are 25 questions in this round, but it depends on the subject. For example, from surgery 5 questions, obs and gynae 5 questions, anatomy 5 questions, pediatrics and medicine 5 questions each. So your time starts now. One small thing, okay, if you do not know the answer, rather than taking chance, you can say pass, so that you will not be deducted the marks. No, it's our choice, Yes? Oral contraceptive pill is the wrong answer. It is the wrong answer. She got -5. Audience, Dr. Farooq, you decide who is the appropriate person there.
Delta sir.
That is the wrong answer again.
Obesity.
That is again wrong answer. The question is dismissed. Please be ready for your next question now. Yes. Please keep silence.
Group 3, 25, Group 4, 40, and Group 5, 25 for this round. First position is Group 4 with 70, Group 5, 60, Group 3, 55, Group 2, 50, and Group 1, 55.
Whoa. I don't know who's tired or who's enjoying, but I know one thing. I'm loving it. So much of knowledge, so much of fun, all in one place. Not in only McDonald's, only in Jaso we can get that. So, let's say we go more or we stop here. Stop or go? But I'm sorry, I'm loving it, I'm enjoying it. So we are now going to a final and fourth round. It's the final and fourth round.
The herniation of abdominal organs. Okay. Now tell me, which is not covered by peritoneum or amniotic membrane. What is your diagnosis? One, other can't say it. Nelson-Niles. Abdominal wall defect, intestinal outside, not covered by amniotic membrane. What is your diagnosis? No, you are up slightly closer, but not omphalocele. Okay, you will get a gift after the quiz. Okay.
Gastroschisis.
Huh?
Gastroschisis.
Gastroschisis, yes, two. Please give the gift. Why not omphalocele? Right? Why not omphalocele? Because omphalocele is covered by amniotic membrane. Gastroschisis is not covered by amniotic membrane. This is the differentiating point between these two defects. I think you understood now, right? Okay, thank you. So number two, a newborn.
What was happening, but majority of you knew what it was. So make sure you work hard. Just give us a few minutes. We will start giving out the prizes and announcing the winners. Thank you.
We have to ask one or two more questions to separate those two groups. I'm not going to reveal the marks, but the question will be asked to group 1 and group 3 to separate them. Still we don't know who is the winner. Okay, I am not going to reveal that now. Yes, please. Yeah. A ossopharyngeal nerve, stylopharyngeus muscle, and cranial nerve, which I said. Absolutely correct answer. But I have to give equal chance to other group also, okay? Otherwise, I cannot separate them. So please, let's go to the another question. Question number 2 for group 3. Group 3, right? So a 20-year-old woman is unable to conceive and undergoes an infertility workup. A pelvic ultrasound reveals this congenital anomaly, which you can see it here, this one. Failure of fusion of which duct is the most likely explanation for her anomalous uterus? Tell me the name of that duct. Sorry? Mullerian duct. Correct answer. They're already tied up here.
Jagruti Patil with the results, the final results of the evening. Following which, we will start giving out the prizes and then we'll phase into the show.